Right on the heels of the rather surprisingly disappointing sand in the carpet test using the OEM 4-roll brush roll from Kirby, let's do a baking soda test and see how well that does. By the way, you should know that I double checked to make sure that the adjustments with the screws here were set properly and the bristles sit proud of the rug plate about 1/16 of an inch. So everything was set. And then again, I checked it obviously with this one too because I wanted to make sure that they were even. And they are. So let's weigh the bag emptor. Got our 10 grams of baking soda here. Hopefully you can see that. Freshly blown out bag, and we are at 993.5 grams. So let me reset up and let's do 10 full cycles with baking soda. Here's to hoping we get a better result. Some little blobs here. All gone. 10 full cycles we go. And I won't be trying to extract everything from here. It's probably somewhat pointless. I mean, I could do it, but I don't think I'm going to try this time. Just because of the nature of the dirt. So it's going to be an emptor bag measurement only this time. We have already established that both these brush rolls do not shred the carpet. We don't get a very dirty pickup at all. Oh, hey, come back here. And make sure you can see the scale. Come on a little closer. There we go. So originally we were 993.5. We put 10 grams into the carpet. I think that's going to be pretty good. So maybe there's hope for that brush roll after all. So we're at 1001.1 minus 993.5, and I have 7.6 grams out of 10. So, of course, we can go and just multiply that to move it around a little bit. That's 76% baking soda up. Baking soda up. 76% baking soda pickup in 10 full cycles. So that is definitely good. That is definitely good. And you know what's so cool? We know that it's not a dirty pickup. We know that this is not something that's so aggressive, especially since these bristles are so soft, that there's not going to be a lot of extraneous stuff in there. So if you want to subtract maybe a percent or two from 76, maybe say you want a 75 or a 74, then I'm okay with that. But this definitely means that this brush roll, along with the machine, of course, I mean, let's not forget the D80 itself, does an absolutely great job with picking up fine dust. And I think we kind of figured that out, that when you have high concentrated airflow and you have very reasonable agitation, you end up having really great fine dust pickup. So definitely a great job with the 4-row brush roll. And at some point I will have to test this 2-roll OEM one and see what it does. So thanks for watching, and hey, we found something that the 4-row brush roll does well.